Okay, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the MXT575. So I did have a warranty claim on the old one. We sent it in. They sent me a brand new one. So instead of going on the passenger seat, I decided just to put it here for now. You know, just like we had the MTX or MXT275, excuse me. But we did get the new mic is also a part of it. So I haven't had a chance to try it out yet, but can't wait to. Looks like it's a pretty neat little thing. It's supposed to help cancel some noise out, which I already have those magnetic things that you may have seen in some other videos. So just want to kind of point this out to you guys real quick so you guys can keep up. Those who've been following me can keep up with what all's been going on. I also put the iPad mount here on the Expedition Essentials dash kit, so quick up there on that. But we also, instead of having to rely on this magnet, which I'm going to end up taking that off, and we'll heat it up, take it off. But they have this little mic mount thing here. You just set it right there. Now this is from the driver's viewpoint, so none of the screen's blocked up. This will be over here, so I can touch this to only use either Onyx or Gaia. You know, it's an option. I may not always. It depends on where I'm at, how far off the grid I am, how familiar I am with the area. So I may not have the iPad up here. I'll end up taking this off when I'm not using it. But you know, I've always got the big screen with the phone. But if I want to use the Garmin inReach Mini, which will mount there, to go with the iPad, I can always do that as well. So anyway, just want to show this to you guys. So please like and subscribe. A lot more good stuff to come.